Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about electric guitar knobs. I'll specifically be showing you and telling you how to use them and what do they do / what do they mean. Let's get right into this video. First and foremost, what guitar is this? This is actually my dad's electric guitar. It is a Gibson Les Paul custom guitar. He cherishes it. It's amazing. I mean, I don't know that much about electric guitars other than how to play them, but he says it's an amazing guitar, and his fun fact is that he traded his old bicycle for this as a kid. So when he was younger, he traded his old bicycle that he outgrew for this to a friend as a kid, and now, as far as I know, it's worth a substantial amount. It's a good guitar. He loves playing it. It's a good guitar. Everyone that I tell when I talk to people who play the guitar, I tell them about this guitar. They're like, "Oh, it's an amazing unit. It's an amazing instrument." I'm like, "Okay, cool." I don't know much about it. Anyways, the knobs. What do they mean? Well, essentially, how to use them. First and foremost, very, very easy. You just turn them. So you can turn the knob up or down. And there's going to be usually at least 2 knobs on most electric guitars. Now, what do they mean and what do they do? So what do they do? When you turn them up, it's going to increase the output of whatever it is that you're adjusting. When you turn it down, it's going to decrease the output. Now, what do they mean? Well, generally, you're going to at least see almost certainly a volume knob. Okay, your volume is very straightforward. It increases or decreases the volume output of the guitar, of the electric guitar. So if you turn it up, it gets louder. You turn it down, it gets quieter. Obviously, you can adjust the volume on your amp and your speaker as well, or your speaker system, whatever it is you're using. But essentially, you can turn it up or down, and that will increase or decrease the volume output of the electric guitar to that speaker system. Now, the other one that you generally will see is something called tone, okay? This one has, and I'll explain why this one has 2 in a moment. So the tone essentially is going to increase or decrease the level of treble for your guitar. So if you increase the tone knob, then it's going to put more treble out there. It won't necessarily reduce the bass, but more treble will go out there. Like high-end notes, high-end sounds, higher pitch sounds. And if you decrease it, then it's obviously going to go down with regards to the treble output. Now, why does this have 2 sets of volume knobs and 2 sets of tone knobs? Well, I'll tell you right now. There are 2 pickups, okay? So you can adjust the volume or the tone for whatever pickup is on the guitar. The pickup is essentially what takes the vibrations of the strings and turns it into sound output on your speaker system. So you can adjust for each pickup based on the knob that you're choosing. Also, with a lot of guitars, there will be a knob or a switch. That switch will, most of the time, you can choose which pickup you're gonna be addressing, okay? Very simple. Or you can sometimes put it in the middle and it'll do both pickups. So it all depends on the guitar, but generally the knobs are volume output and tone output, which tone you can think of as treble. Think about it like that, the high-pitched sounds, the high-end sounds. And the switch generally will go between different pickups or both pickups. And you can make those adjustments per pickup. And that is essentially it. Those are electric guitar knobs, what they do, what they mean, how they work. Obviously, different guitars are going to have different sets of knobs, but as a rule of thumb, that's like just generally most guitars what you're going to encounter. And that is truly it. And like I said, this is just knowledge that my... This is just knowledge that my dad told me over the years. Before I started filming this video, I just confirmed with him, "Dad, is this what they do as far as I know? This is what I remember?" He said, "Yeah, as far as his knowledge is." So I'm not a pro here by any means, but that's to the best of my knowledge. And if I made a mistake, you can correct me in the comments, because I know you're going to do that anyways if I messed up on something. But anyways, if you like this video tutorial / explanation / demonstration, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.